In this video, let's learn how to fix TikTok not letting you make a new account. When this problem occurs, many times is because it's just a simple glitch or a bug which may be causing that issue. Now the one thing that you need to make sure is that you're not using the same phone number or email address that you previously used. And once you do that, there are also a couple of other things that you can try out, like you can just uninstall the app of TikTok from your phone, and once it has been uninstalled, you can again install it. Or you can also try to create a new account using a web browser from your mobile or your desktop. Just search for tiktok.com and you can try to create an account from there. Like I said, many times it is just because of a glitch, and in order to fix this glitch, you just need to wait out a couple of hours before TikTok fixes it, and you should be able to create an account without having issues. Sometimes it could take more than few hours. You need to wait even couple of days, and you can try to create a new account and you should be able to create one. So that's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, subscribe if you are new here, and also turn on that notification so you get notified for more videos. That's all for today, and I'll be back with more.